Apple has announced the next update of Logic Pro X, its professional music production and recording program. The key feature of the v10.4 update is the inclusion of what Apple calls intelligent tempo, which allows automatic detection of tempo throughout the project. The update also comes with a variety of new add-ons, sound libraries and loops. The new intelligent tempo of Logic is probably of greater interest to musicians. With intelligent tempo, you can record naturally in the program without a metronome or click on the track, and then Logic can automatically assign its tempo throughout the entire recording. During a demonstration, while a guitar was being recorded in Logic, and the program immediately marked the markers, observing a bar that played at 116 BPM, while the next one went up to 117.5 BPM, and then down to 115 BPM for 2 bars. Once the program traces all these BPMs in a recording, whatever else is dropped in your project, such as loops or additional instruments, will be adapted to be synchronized and will follow these tempo changes. If you move the original audio to which the tempo was assigned, the tempo changes will move with it.